Hey everyone, welcome to Review Radar. In this video I'll show you how to password protect a folder in Windows 11. Alright, so for example, let's create a new folder. So let's go new folder, let's name it test. Alright, now basically you need to right click, properties, then in the general tab you go to advanced, and then in here choose encrypt contents to secure data, click OK, apply and save. You'll get this notification, click on it. Alright, now from here choose backup now, next. In here don't choose anything, next. Okay, now in here basically you need to click on this password button. Now input the password. You can also choose the type of encryption that you want. So you've got two in the list that are available. After that click next. After that choose file name. Let's for example name it test1. Next and finish. Press OK. And now your folder is password protected. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this helps you. Like the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And I'll see you very soon.